Hey guys, welcome to Sync Programming. Today we are going to make image grid. So when I click on 2, it splits in 2 like it is showing grid effect, and 3 it splits in 3, and like on 4 it splits in 4. So isn't it amazing? So before that, if you haven't followed my Instagram page, then please go and follow this. It has some really awesome content over there. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will be providing really good content to you. And before after showing this, let's get started. In our Visual Studio Code, I will open the folder over here. In this folder I will be going to make um, a folder as image. Before that, okay, I will going to make a folder image grid, and in this I will be going to make index.html file, and in this index.html I will be making title or writing title as image grid. That's it. After that I will be making header, give it id as my header and class as header. In that header I will be going to make h1 tag, write h1 tag. In this I will be writing heading async programming grid tutorial. After that, a paragraph, a simple paragraph like I have written here, that click the buttons to view different grids. Like I am just instructing the users to click on the buttons. So after this I will be making buttons, the 4 buttons. There will be like as you have seen in the preview, there will be 1 2 3 and 4. Accordingly, when someone clicks on it, the grid will split in different columns. So on click I will be running functions over there. So when someone will be clicking over these functions are going to be run, and I am going to execute this function using my JavaScript. Next thing would be I will be making I will be importing many images. So for this I will be making a div, give it as class call row, and inside it another div as class column. In this column I will be having 4 images, 4 different or same images you can take, as I didn't have many images in my PC. That's why I have taken uh, mostly same images. One image is repeated 2 or 3 times. So I will be repeating this div 4 times, because we need 4 columns at most. If you need 5 columns, then you can repeat it 5 times also, but for that you have to be making more buttons also, 5 buttons. So as of now I am going to just make 4 columns mostly, that's why. So after this image process is complete, I will be going to the styling part, because styling is really important. You can give your own styling also, but as of now it really looks good, because look at these, it is not looking fair. All images are different width and height. I will go to style section, and in this section I will be first doing CSS reset using box sizing and border box. Body will be margin 0%. Header will be like text align as center. Padding would be 32 pixels. Look at these. And next, color would be green, lighter green actually. Background color will be black, so that the green will be really visible at very shiny color actually. Next thing would be row display as flex wrap as no, wrap, not no wrap, it's wrap. Padding would be 4 pixel and 0 pixel 4 pixel. Height would be 1000 pixel, width would be 1000 pixel. That's, yeah, but still it is not applied, because I have to now style column class. Flex would be 50% by default. Still not applied. I will show you why it's not applied. I will be giving with 100%. Oh yeah, oh, still not applied. After giving padding I will say you why it's the problem is there. After applying the flex as 50%, it's still not applied. So actually The margin I will give, first of all, margin left as 270 pixels, so that it will get centered from the left also. Now I will style the image, column image. So now I have to give the width 100% to this image, not in the column actually. That's why it is not applied. Now look at this. The flex 50% means the flex box with the columns will be split in two halves, 50% for each half. Margin top I will give vertical align as middle, and next thing would be btn. I will style the buttons. So it's not important to style the buttons, actually we need to see the JavaScript for the buttons, but still if you are giving the buttons on the screen you need to style it, because it doesn't look good when you are making a web app like this. So I will give some background color, padding and margin, and color, font size. You can do this by visiting my previous tutorials also and previous videos. Styling a button isn't a big task for all of us. Outline is none, cursor as pointer. So now look at this, it is looking fair now. And when someone hovers I will just give the background color and color. uh, I will give background color as purple. I will, yeah, I will give color as white because purple is darker color, and that's why it's need to be a light color for the numbers over there. Script would be where elements. So in this I will be going taking images in this document.get elements by class name. So all the elements having class name sorry, not columns, would be taken into this consideration, and using the function 1 2 3 and 4 I will be writing array.from images dot for each loop. Image, for particular image there would be image dot style dot flex would be 100%. So when someone clicks on one, the flex would be 100%. This is it. This is the what is the main part of our image grid tutorial. This is it. This is not too much difficult for us also. So I will be giving flex different at different buttons. So when 3 it would be 33%, and when at 4 it would be 25%. So using simple logic and brain you can do this also. Look, not difficult. So yeah, I will be giving different images on the first, Hulk versus Hulkbuster. And now yeah, look at these. You can be seeing this, the the preview of this looks really interesting. That's it for today guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and if possible please do like on this video.